guys, welcome back to the channel, and back out here at Dover's garage. As you can see, it's not actually raining, but it's still really wet, but oh well. So the plan for today was we were gonna get back on the engine bay. Well, good buddy of ours, Ken Hillard, called and said he had a line on a 4i notch that's about 30-40 miles away from here, and guy wanted it gone. So before we actually get busy on my car, we're gonna go pick up this coupe and do something with it. The reason being is a couple of weeks ago, Jeremy picked up another car. You can kind of see it out there, but it's super rough and needs a lot, but it does have an 8.8. It's got an AGA key. I can't even talk. AGA. It's got a K member in it from AJE, and so the plan is, because the body on that car is so rough, swap everything into this other 4i notch body and have a cool car. Price is right, so we're fixing to load up, go get this thing. So let's roll. Trailer loaded up. So we're really and truly going to get another Fox.
See more pictures.
We don't have to have the entire car, just part of it.
Yeah.
Man. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's the car. You can see.
It's been sitting a while.
So we are actually going to be dragging it up on the trailer, but like I said, there's the car over there. And that thing is rough. But as I said, it's got a ton of good parts in it. And so this 4-cylinder notch roller, which actually it's not even roller, will be the perfect candidate to swap all that in. Good body, boom, done. So let's go. So we are on our way to pick up this coupe.
Recalculating.
And we actually saw this thing right here.
50.
Yeah, original 50.
Turn left on Church Street, then turn right.
God, that thing's been sitting forever. The tag says 06.
It looks like it too, though.
Wow. Hope these people don't start shooting at us. Yeah, that tag, the last time it was tagged was 06, but that's a 50 car. It's a 87 to 89, it's a non-airbag car. Damn. Somebody needs to sell us that car, save that car. You could tell, like, the trim, that thing has been sitting forever. The word is it's been sitting there for like 20 years. Don't know, but judging from the way it looks, it's probably been sitting 20 years. But anyway, onward and upward. We've got other Foxes to get. Oh, it's steep.
Very good. Trying to go make it.
So we have arrived. Hopefully we don't fall off the edge of the driveway. There's the car sitting over there.
What's left of it?
Yeah, what's left of it. Hopefully this dude's home. And hopefully he doesn't mind cameras. I spook people out with cameras all the time. Alright, so take a look at this thing. Wow. She's been sitting a while. Pretty long while. Yep, nothing much in there. Yeah, this will be interesting. no rear end. But anyway, we'll see if we can't pick this up. So here we go. So not much here. Gonna need a fender. What's the interior looking like?
Oh, about like the outside.
Oh, wow. Yeah. It's
It's an automatic.
yeah, it's auto. Parts everywhere, parts.
Well, it ain't too bad in here.
No rust. It's a good thing. The motor's been out for a while.
A lot of forward too.
Yep. Had a V8 in at some point. Is this looks like original force on the car looking at the sway bar. Looks like it. Nah, it's got the bigger brakes. I think.
Yeah, there ain't much difference in it.
Yeah, not really. Got barnacles growing all over it. Says Mustang on the hood.
Yeah. This motor looks good. That other one ain't too bad.
Yeah, looks good. Looks like it's been painted at some point. A little body work.
Yeah. And then it beam back here.
Little spot right there. Tough to fix. There she is.
All that.
You think that bumper cover will ride?
We'll find out.
I think it will.
I don't think it's gonna go nowhere.
Yeah.
What's that rig there? Camera? Yeah.
Yeah, GoPro. Yeah. I think she'll be alright.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna lose nothing if we do.
Appreciate it, man.
Y'all have good.
All right. All right. Load it up. Whew. Well, the story is we were getting in the truck to leave, and the guy wanted $450 for it. The body was, yeah.
Rusty, but
It's not rusty, but there were some dents on the quarter, stuff like that. But he ended up wanting the deal, and so we took it. Not exactly sure what we're gonna do with it.
yeah, I wasn't too concerned either way. We left it or took it. So.
Well, we have an 86 V8 car, pretty much shell, 2 bumper covers, hood, and a hatch. So, who knows? Never know. Maybe they'll turn to gold. Either way, we got it. So, let's head back. All right, guys. So we made it, and got the notch on the trailer back there. It's probably just gonna have to sit there because it's so wet out here. We'll just leave it sit. But saved it from the field.
Ain't like we can roll it off anyhow.
Yeah, we can roll it off. It's probably gonna sit for quite a while. Figure out something to do with it. The initial plan, like I said at the beginning of the video we were leaving out, was this could possibly take the 8.8 rear end, the AGA member, and all that from this other car, but it was a little rougher than we thought. But we got it. We saved it, right?
Yeah. Give it a good home.
Yeah, home with lots of others. But anyway, show you one more time this hot rod. It's got a small tree growing. We might have to hit it with a weed eater. But like I was saying, this is the car he picked up. This is also was a 4i car, but the body's super rough on it. As you can see, super rough, but it does have an 8.8 and it does have an AJEK member. You can see it, and coilovers. And so that was kind of the plan, was take the parts off this ultra rough body and put them in this car. But yeah, I don't know. Who cares? We saved it. It's home. Another score. So we'll figure it out when the sun is shining and it's warmer outside. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and back more Coyote updates very soon. Later.